How to make aloe vera and yogurt mask for hair. Combine 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl until you get a smooth mixture. Now, massage this mixture onto your scalp for about 15 minutes. Then, apply it to the length of your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. In the end, shampoo your hair. For best results, you can repeat this up to 2 times a week. Aloe vera has a high water content which makes it a great humectant for your scalp and hair. It provides essential nutrients to your hair follicles that make your hair grow healthy and prevents your scalp and hair tissues from drying out. Aloe vera is an effective natural hair cleanser that helps you remove dead skin cells, excessive sebum, dirt, and product build-ups from your scalp and hair. This helps you to fight off dandruff while keeping your scalp clean. Also, the antipruritic properties and proteolytic enzymes of aloe vera relieve you from itchy scalp conditions. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.